Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find out your watched history, your share history and your saved history on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook right here. Once you open your Facebook right here, then you will see at the bottom side home reels. Then click on reels. When you click on this, at right top corner you will see your profile icon. Click on this, then here it will show you all your profile, saved videos, like videos, share videos, history and similar data. For example, I will click on saved videos. All the videos will be show up here. If I click on like video, it will show all your like videos right here. And if I click on share videos, it will show you all the share videos right here. For the whole history which you watch a post or watch a video, everything, then click on history and your watch history will be here. So this was it, and for more videos like this, subscribe to Solutions Nerds, and thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment down below.